Few aircraft evoke as much mystery and intrigue in advanced aviation as the Northrop YF-23. Designed during the late 1980s and early 1990s, the YF-23 was one of two prototypes competing for the Advanced Tactical Fighter Program, a project aimed at creating the next-generation fighter jet for the U.S. Air Force. Though it lost to the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, the YF-23 left an indelible mark on aviation history. With its sleek, futuristic design and advanced stealth capabilities, the YF-23 was decades ahead of its time. Nicknamed Black Widow II, it showcased innovations that could have redefined air combat. But after its defeat in the ATF competition, the YF-23 seemingly vanished, relegated to the annals of aviation history. Or did it? Rumors have circulated for years that the YF-23 was never truly abandoned. Now, whispers of a revival project are growing louder. Could this iconic jet be making a comeback? And if so, what might it mean for the future of aerial warfare? The YF-23 wasn't just a competitor, it was a marvel of engineering. With its unique diamond-shaped wings and V-tail configuration, it was designed to be faster and stealthier than its rivals. Unlike the F-22, which prioritized maneuverability, the YF-23 focused on evading detection and outrunning adversaries. Its stealth capabilities were particularly impressive. Engineers used advanced composite materials and coatings to minimize their radar signature. The YF-23's shape was specifically optimized to scatter radar waves, making it nearly invisible to enemy sensors. Experts at the time believed it could outperform any existing fighter in terms of stealth. Speed was another area where the YF-23 excelled. Powered by twin engines, it was capable of sustained supersonic speeds without the need for afterburners, a feature known as supercruise. This made it ideal for penetrating deep into enemy airspace, striking targets, and retreating before anyone could respond. Despite its groundbreaking design, the YF-23 lost the ATF competition. The F-22 was selected largely because it offered superior agility and better met the Air Force's emphasis on dogfighting capabilities. The YF-23's strengths in speed and stealth, while impressive, were considered secondary at the time. Another factor was cost. The F-22 program was seen as more financially feasible, and Lockheed Martin's established relationships with the Department of Defense played a role in securing the contract. Northrop Grumman, while respected, lacked the same political clout. While the YF-23 prototypes were retired, they weren't destroyed. They were preserved, fueling speculation that their unique design and technology could be revisited in the future. With the shifting landscape of modern warfare, those predictions might now be coming true. Fast forward to today, and the dynamics of air combat have changed dramatically. Nations like China and Russia are rapidly advancing their military capabilities, developing sophisticated fifth-generation and even sixth-generation fighter jets. The U.S. Air Force faces increasing pressure to maintain its aerial dominance. The rise of hypersonic missiles, advanced radar systems, and autonomous drones has shifted the focus from traditional dogfighting to stealth, speed, and survivability. These are precisely the areas where the YF-23 excelled, making it an ideal candidate for modernization. Additionally, the development of newer technologies, such as artificial intelligence and adaptive engines, opens the door to enhancing the YF-23 in ways that were unimaginable in the 1990s. Could this aircraft be the solution to America's future defense challenges? If the YF-23 is being revived, it won't be the same aircraft that competed in the ATF program. Modern iterations would likely incorporate advanced materials, improved engines, and advanced avionics to meet today's combat demands. Experts speculate that a modernized YF-23 could be equipped with next-generation stealth coatings, making it virtually invisible to even the most advanced radar systems. Its engines might feature variable cycle technology, allowing for greater efficiency and range. Weaponry would also see a significant upgrade. Hypersonic missiles, directed energy weapons, and integrated AI systems could make the YF-23 a true game-changer on the battlefield. Such advancements would position it as a cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force's arsenal. Recent developments suggest that the YF-23 may indeed be making a comeback. Defense insiders have reported increased activity at Northrop Grumman facilities, and leaked documents hint at a classified project involving a next-generation fighter jet. Additionally, sightings of test flights resembling the YF-23's distinctive shape have sparked widespread speculation. While official confirmation remains elusive, the timing aligns with the U.S. military's push to modernize its aerial capabilities. These signs point to a larger strategy. With the development of the next-generation air dominance program, the U.S. Air Force is seeking platforms that can adapt to future combat scenarios. The YF-23's revival could be a critical piece of this puzzle. If the YF-23 returns to active duty, it could shift the balance of power in the skies. Its unmatched speed and stealth would make it a formidable adversary for any rival, including China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57. A revived YF-23 would also send a strong message to America's allies and adversaries. It would demonstrate the U.S.'s commitment to maintaining air superiority and its willingness to revisit and improve past innovations. However, this development could also trigger an arms race. Nations may accelerate their advanced fighter programs in response, leading to a new era of military competition. The consequences of such an escalation could be far-reaching. The potential revival of the YF-23 represents more than just a return of an iconic aircraft. It signals a shift in how nations approach air combat, emphasizing stealth, speed, and adaptability over traditional metrics of power. For the U.S., the YF-23 could become a cornerstone of its strategy to counter emerging threats and maintain its edge in an increasingly contested airspace. With the right upgrades, this legendary aircraft could redefine the future of aerial warfare. While much remains uncertain, one thing is clear: the YF-23's story is far from over. Whether as a symbol of innovation or a fully operational fighter jet, its legacy continues to inspire awe and anticipation across the aviation world.